In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I will demonstrate how to take attendance in your class. Provided you have configured the attendance module in your course, click on the attendance activity, typically at the top of the course, and select the date when your class is meeting. So let's say it's the 26th of August. If I want to take attendance for this particular day, you click here on the triangle, and you'll see a listing of all the students in your class. P stands for present, L for late, E for excused, and A for absent. If your class meets on site, which most classes will in this case, we suggest that you press P to mark everyone present, then call the names of the students, and if somebody is missing, you mark that particular student as absent or late or excused and so on. You can also add remarks, then save and show the next page. Now, once the attendance has been taken for a particular day, you'll see this green arrow where you can go to change the attendance, or you can click here on the date. So if we go back here to the course page, and let's say that the student that you had marked as absent, now you want to update the attendance record, you click here on attendance, you go to this particular date, either here on the left or the green arrow on the right, and then locate the student and then correct their record. As the instructor in the course, as you continue taking attendance, there are also options here to view a report, and this will display an overview of the student records throughout your course.